Hey guys, Shauna here. I am actually now sharing long overdue re, uh, rearranging of my studio. I had put it out here in a different way in which the desk was just kind of like in the middle, and then I had the table over there. But now that I've got a new unit, I have now rearranged stuff, and I thought I'd come on just do a quick uh, tour sort of thing. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So over here, obviously we've got a chair, but it's a recliner, so the kids like to sit there and visitors like to sit there. And then this black unit here, it's a little messy, but it's going to have all my art stuff in it, like all my books and things, all my journals. I've got some supplies on there, so it's a little bit of a mess, but that's one of my next projects. And then the upper couple shelves are going to have all my fib memorabilia. Yeah, so try not to make you too sick here. I'm going to try to go a little bit easy and double hold the camera. I have a fireplace there. Love it. Love the fireplace. So you can see on the mantle I've got things. I've got a TV up there, but I never really use it. But it goes in the space. So, and you can see the brown and the white. We're getting ready to paint this room. So never mind the paint marks you see. But yeah, I got pictures of my grandbabies in the family setting. Got some candles, the stockings because it's Christmas. My butterfly stuff, a couple of the art pieces I've made recently. Yeah, and then we come around, we've got my, this is my chair, let me move that really quick so you can see. I have my new unit over there in the corner with my die cutting machine and my sewing machine. I've got a table over there with project baskets in it. I've got my printer over there. Oops, right there. See? Okay. And then here's a close-up of my setup. I still have to clean the drawers and tackle the shelving unit that I showed you guys. But my new setup is here. I've got my heat gun, glue gun, pens and pencils and scissors and all of that good stuff. My camera and my monitor. Ooh, sorry for the shake. Not trying to be shaky. I hope this comes out okay. I've got my chalkboard and my wind chime and some other supplies like my water jars and stuff for painting. My basket for stuff. And then we come around, and this is kind of what it looks like. There's where I'm going to be sitting now. I'm going to come out this way. So then I can show you. Okay, so sorry. So yeah, so this is the front door. It needs to be cleaned. So that's another project I got to do today, is wash the windows. So never mind the windows. Yeah, that's in progress. Again, I've got to clean the windows. So this is my I have my front door, and then I have the sunroom, and then my other front door. Okay, so you come in. And over to the right is all my setup, my new setup that I put together. And then, again, you've got the fireplace. You see the Christmas tree in the back. This is my big dining room table. I love this table. And the kids that sit there, so you can see some paint and stuff on there. So, it's didn't have a chance to get that scrubbed yet. But, yeah, so that's my table. You can see my living room through there. But so then, after coming around from the desk, ooh, not too fast, Shauna, not too fast. So here's my chair, and then I can walk along this wall, and here's all my supplies. So you've got paper and my extra watercolor paints and things, gelatos, all the metal pieces I have and stuff for the, larger mixed media. Down here we've got more paper and then napkins, my sewing extra, my cloth and laces and stuff, flowers and things are in these two. Go over here, I've got my oil pastels and Inktense blocks and that pink thing. Yeah, so then this is just all the, I've got stamps and all my stencils, and the baskets have, different, like papers and things in it. All kinds of supplies for, that I grab for during my stream. And then you come over and on that shelving unit over there, I've got my current journals that I'm working in, extra supplies and folders and things, all my, my cutters, and my Misty is down there, which will be moved because I need that closer to me, all those things closer to me, my extra washi tape and thing. And then I have, up on this wall, I have my sprays and things, all the different sprays and some of the, like my Nuvo drops and things like that. And then I have a mailing station now. So that is all Christmas right there. For the giveaway, those are sitting there as well. So yeah, so I'm liking the space. Definitely, it's weird not having everything so close to me that I can just grab for it during my streams, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I hope you guys were inspired to maybe do something fun with your space. Let me know in the comments. I will talk to you guys later. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and lots of love to everyone. Bye-bye.